In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to connect error on Uber app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're told an error occurred while trying to connect, please try again later. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, if you are using a web-based browser, try and log in using Uber app. If you don't have it, you need to install it to be able to use it. However, if this didn't work, then most likely you need to check and ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection or you have enough mobile data to use this app. But should that not be an issue, then most likely your region might be wrong, or you are in a region where Uber services are not available. You need to check that. This sometimes might be caused by you using a proxy app or VPN. So if you have any VPN turned on your smartphone, turn it off or uninstall the app before you can connect to the app and use it. However, at this point, if things didn't work out, then check and then see if we have any update for your Uber app by going to Google Play Store or App Store, search for your Uber app and update it to the latest version. However, if that didn't work, then you need to troubleshoot Uber app by going to settings and now go down to apps. And under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, look for Uber and tap on it. And here, go to Force Stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing the problem. Then go to clear data and clear cache and finally OK, and finally clear all data. Now here, restart your smartphone and open your Uber app and everything should be up and running without any issue. However, at this point, if you still can't use your app or you're getting the same error, then most likely Uber might have experienced internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait and try to log into your account after some few minutes. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.